Hi, so we're going to take just a real quick look at my YouTube channel. I don't make any money off of this. It's just here to hopefully give you a good resource. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll notice a couple things as we go down, okay? My dorky little welcome video. But then you'll see from there that every chapter has a playlist, okay? All the way through the whole entire semester. So let's say we want to review chapter 1, go back to that playlist without having to hunt around Canvas. Every video in chronological order is here, and there's usually a couple of extra type things at the end of those playlists too, okay? As you look at these times on these, the videos range from 4 minutes to 10 or 11. I tried to keep them as concise as possible, but once in a while I go off the rails. I just can't make it short enough. So there are occasionally videos that are a little bit longer, like 16 minutes, okay? But generally 5 to 10 is what I aimed for. So when you go into a video, I just want to make sure you know a couple of the things that you can do. You might be watching these videos 2 or 3 or even 4 times, and you might not watch it the same way every time. You might watch it really slowly, you might watch it more quickly. So let's pop into here, and we'll take a look at some of the settings. So if we go into our settings, remember you've got your options, to add some captions, okay? So you can always watch those captions. Another thing that can be very helpful is adjusting your playback speed. So I know you know this, but I just want to make you think about it in chemistry class. Maybe if you're struggling the first time through the video, slow it down a little bit, okay? Listen to me in slow-mo.
A lot of times we'll have some intro sheets here where I tell you what...
All right, or if it's, you know, you've watched it a few times and you want to speed it up, you can listen to me talk like chipmunk style, okay?
Colors throughout the chapter. So I try to be as consistent as possible and use these as visual cues for you. In this chapter, we're going to use green to represent carbon.
So that might be good if you've watched these videos before and you just want a little refresher. Think about watching them sped up. Or if you're short on time, think about watching them sped up even the first time. And then don't forget, you can keep pausing, right? So pausing is your friend. It's like being able to pause me at the front of the class, and you want to have that mindset, wait, let me pause the teacher, let me replay that last few seconds. So those are just a couple of tips as you're using my channel, that you've got all of those chapter playlists and that you can play with the speed of the videos as you work on them. And so have fun.